Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your science lecture of grade 4 and I am your science teacher Aparna Pandey from Art and Progressive School, Lamachur. So students, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 10, revision, and in this chapter, as you know, the name of the chapter is force, energy and machine. So in this chapter, not machine, it is machine. So in this chapter we have already discussed about the force and energy. In this chapter we have already discussed about the force and energy. Now in today's video we are going to revise about machine. In today's video we are going to revise about the machine. Okay. So I hope that the first part of this video you all have watched and I have given worksheet also related to this, so that also you all have done. Now student, in today's video we are going to discuss about the machine only. So let's start. What it is? Simple machines. What it is written? Simple machines. So what are simple machines? We all know. We know that the thing, the machine, the small tools that help us in doing our work easily are called the machines. Simple small tools that help us in making our work easier is called machines. So what I have written? Tools that make our work easier. Tools that make our work easier is called simple machines. Now how many types of simple machines we have discussed? We have discussed that there are 6 types of simple machines. What we have discussed? There are 6 types of simple machines. What are they? Number 1 lever, number 2 inclined plane, number 3 wheel and axle, number 4 screw, number 5 wedge and number 6 pulley. Again you can see that we have 6 types of simple machines. These are number 1 is lever, number 2 is inclined plane, number 3 is wheel and axle, number 4 is screw, number 5 is wedge and number 6 is pulley. So these are the simple machines we have discussed earlier also. See student, this is revision video and here we are revising the thing. Even if you have any doubt, then you can go through the chapter video of this chapter, okay, through the where I have explained whole topic very briefly, each and every part very briefly. You can go through that video also, okay, for if you are having any doubt, because in this video we are revising things fast. Now here we have discussed that there are 6 types of simple machines. Now let's see what are the uses of these simple machines. So first we will discuss the uses and after that I will explain you the examples. I will tell you the examples of the particular machine. So let's see what are the uses. So number 1 is lever. Why do we use lever as a machine? Because it helps in lifting weight. Because lever help us in lifting weight. अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा भारी चीज़ है and we are unable to lift it, so we can make use of lever, so then we can lift that item. So this is the use of lever. Second is inclined plane. Now what is the use of inclined plane? Inclined plane is used to move an object to a lower or a higher place. And what is the role of inclined plane? Inclined plane helps us in moving object to the lower or to the higher place. Now, to the lower place means suppose we have to put some heavy objects down. So how we will put? Then we can make the use of inclined plane like in this way, so that we can with the help of the inclined plane we can slide that item down easily. In the same way, suppose we have to lift something to the higher places. So now you also know that lifting like this will become very tough and putting things with the help of this inclined plane to upside will be much easier. So what is the role of inclined plane? Inclined plane helps us in moving objects to a lower or higher place. Now third one is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle, you all know that what is wheel? You all know? Now what is axle? Axle is a rod that connects two wheels. Axle is a rod that connects two wheels. Now what is the use of this wheel and axle, or where are the places where we get help from this wheel and axle? So what it is? It helps things to move from one place to other. This wheel and axle help us in moving things from one place to another. See, don't get confused from higher to lower and one place to another. Higher to lower means किसी चीज को ऊंचाई में ले जाना है या किसी को ऊंचाई से नीचे लाना है. तो that is the role of inclined plane. But when we say from one place to another, मतलब simply move करवा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. लेकिन वो कैसे होता है? With the help of wheel and axle. Okay. Now another one is screw. The fourth one is screw. What is the role of screw? Screw help in rising the things to up or lower. ठीक है, screw की help से हम किसी चीज को ऊपर ले आते हैं, किसी चीज को नीचे ले आते हैं. So you all have seen, I hope, screw. And if you have not seen, then best example of screw is your water bottle cap. आप उसको देखिए, उसमें ऐसे कुछ बने होते हैं ना रिंग्स, जिसकी हेल्प से आपका कैप ऊपर भी आ जाता है और कैप नीचे भी चले जाता है. तो दिस इज द रोल ऑफ स्क्रू. स्क्रू हेल्प्स इन लोअर एंड राइज द थिंग्स. Then another one we have is wedge. Now what is wedge? Wedge is used to push things apart. Wedge का क्या यूज होता है? Wedge का यूज होता है कि वो चीजों को apart कर देगा, अलग कर देगा. Now when I am saying that wedge is used to put things apart, so I hope that you all are getting idea. वो कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जो हमें हेल्प करती है कोई भी दो चीजों को अलग करने में. A very simple example is like knife. नाइफ की हेल्प से आप क्या करते हैं? किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी आइटम को जब आप कट करते हैं नाइफ से, तो वो टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाता है. तो दिस इज द रोल ऑफ वेज. नाइफ इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ वेज एंड वेज हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग द थिंग्स अपार्ट. Then another one is the last one machine is pulley. Pulley. Now what is pulley? Pulley is made up of wheel and rope. Pulley is made up of wheel and rope. Pulley अपने आप में एक हम नेम कह देते हैं, बट पुली इज एक्चुअली मेड अप ऑफ व्हील एंड रोप. उसमें क्या होता है? देयर इज अ व्हील, देयर इज अ गैप इन बिटवीन व्हील. ऐसे ग्रुप्स होते हैं, उस ग्रुप्स में हमारी रोप लगी होती है, रोप लगी होती है. और क्या करते हैं? वो रोप हम जैसे जैसे खींचते हैं व्हील मूव होती है और वेरी इजीली वी कैन पुश और पुल द रोप. सो दिस इज द रोल ऑफ पुली. उसकी हेल्प से हम कोई भी आइटम को नीचे डाल सकते हैं, कोई भी आइटम को ऊपर ला सकते हैं. दिस इज द रोल ऑफ पुली. पुली इन सब चीजों में हेल्प करता है. सो हियर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द डिफरेंट machines. What are the uses of these machines? Let's discuss what are the examples of these machines. So beta, let's see now lever. As I told you, it helps in lifting the weight. So what are the examples? Like you can say seesaw. Seesaw you have seen. One person is sitting one side, then it becomes like this. Another is sitting this side, and it becomes like this. So this is the example of lever. Inclined plane. Inclined plane, you know, as you have, I hope that you have seen the that types of ropes or places of inclined plane जहाँ पे हम स्ट्रेचेस को ऐसे करके ले जाते हैं ना. तो इस तरीके, और आपने इस तरीके वाला हमारा स्विंग भी देखा होगा. तो दिस कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ inclined plane. Okay. Then in wheel and axle there are many examples. Tires in cars, tires in toys, tires in your bags, car, roller skates, swing machines, door knobs. These all are the example of wheel and axle. When we say screw, there are like I told you the cap of jar lids, light bulbs, clamps, key rings. These all are the these all consist screw, because screw open और close करने में help करता है. Okay. Then wedge, I told you wedge is examples of wedge are like fork, axe, nails, knives. These all are the examples of wedges. When we say pulley, best example of pulley is well. If you have seen well, you can see here. जो वेल होता है, ये वेल में जो हम बकेट को डिग करते हैं या बकेट को हम ऐसे अपनी तरफ खींचते हैं, दिस ऑल इज पॉसिबल जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ पुली ओनली. ओके. सो That means it would be very difficult to lift a bucket full of water from well. अगर हमारे पास पुली नहीं होती तो उस भरी हुई बाल्टी को खींचना बहुत टफ हो जाता, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ पुली इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी, बिकॉज वो लोड हम पर नहीं पड़ता, वो सारा विद द हेल्प ऑफ द व्हील वो बड़ी इजीली टर्न होकर ऊपर आ जाता है. सो स्टूडेंट, in today's video here we have discussed about the simple machines and their uses and few examples. So I hope that this part of this chapter help you in revising about machines, but if you have any doubt then you can go through the prior video related to this chapter. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.